Alright guys, I'm back with an update on this Arrma Kraton 4S that I've been having difficulties with charging. So I got some coaching on how to charge this thing, and I did it, and it seemed to be charging as far as the charger, but this thing here, let's plug this in. It's like a male and a female out. Okay, let's see if it turns on. And hit this little switch I got in here. Alright. And it's I like to always worry when to know that the fans are running. Both fans have to be running. Okay, so let's grab this remote here and oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. We got her working. Nice. Now I can't wait to run this thing. Oh my god, this thing been down for months, and I got some coaching on how to charge it. I got this thing charged up. If you look closely, you'll see the tires swell. Now, this thing is a 4S. Pretty fast. They got 6S, 8S. It's 50 plus. I can get it up to 70. But my main thing is to, be happy to know that it's running, man, because this thing has just been sitting. This thing has just been sitting, man. And you can tell I only used it a few times. But we got the Arrma Kraton running. Yes, this thing is gonna be a blast. My son's gonna be happy. There's some other toys going on too. This is one of them that I wanted to get fixed. Okay. Yeah, it's a cool little toy. It comes, it has a cover. I added the stickers on there. Not bad. Alright, so we got this bad boy running. Yes, Arrma Kraton is running. Yeah. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We got the Arrma Kraton running. Thanks to Third Coast RC. Third Coast RC is a young fella on YouTube. He helped me get this thing to charge up. So shout outs to him. I'm gonna leave his thing in the description there. But yeah, we got the sucker running now. Maybe tomorrow I can do another update on this thing, on how fast and